Hello, this is Anne Louise. Today is June 26th, 2020. This is a song, we're going to do a little tutorial for the song Ocean Eyes. And I'm going to switch my camera. This song is fairly easy in the sense it doesn't have a lot of chords. You got a C chord, a D chord, D major, D, F sharp, A, E minor, and then you have a G chord, G, B, D, and then your C chord again. Okay, so I don't sing this very well, but I'll do my best. And I'm just going to play it once so you see what arrangement I'm doing. And then we're going to break it down, okay? So this is your introduction. I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at these ocean eyes. Burning cities, napalm skies. 15 flares inside these ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes. You really gotta let me go. Those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I never felt something like ocean eyes. These ocean eyes. I've been walking. Can't stop thinking of your diamond ring. Barefoot creature made friends of time. He left her lonely with diamond wine. Those ocean eyes. You really gotta make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I never found a better love. Ocean eyes, these ocean eyes. I've been watching for some time. Can't help thinking of ocean Okay, so something like that. But again, the most important thing is just getting the timing of that along with your vocal. That's kind of what I'm doing. The simplest thing would just be to play C. You could do your left hand C, D, E with your chord. And you want to make sure you have your pedal on. This is a very soft song, so you want to play really softly. So what am I doing there? I am arpeggiating that chord. I'm blocking the C and the D chord, and then I'm arpeggiating E minor. So the timing is something like that. then you could do this. It's a really pretty chord progression, but that's kind of basically what I'm thinking. And then at the end, you want it to have very sparse. She goes back to the top of the song. I've been warned. So you just want to keep that really simple. I hope this helps, and I think that's it.